it back to a hover, or is that it hovering now? Look, Mum, no hands, and there it is. That's amazing. There's a real breeze there. It's gonna buzz Rima. Got it? Is that back in the hover?
Yeah.
It's amazing. Just hovering. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah. You can hear it, sort of the blades cutting into the breeze to hold it in place. It's good downdraft.
There you go.
Don't lose it.
That's it, hovering. It's adjusting.
Yeah. It's incredibly stable.
Yeah.
There it is. Right. Bring it down whilst you can. Man and machine in perfect harmony. Battery's low, okay, let's bring it down.
Did you hear that alarm?
Perfect, yeah. Yeah, that'll do it. That's a real kind of, the submarine is sinking alarm, isn't it? Yeah, great, right.